Hello viewers, welcome to Fahmina's Creation. Today I'm going to show you how to braid magic loop. So now there's different ways of doing it, and everybody has their own way. Today I'm going to show you my way, and I find it easier. That's how I always do it. So for slip knot, we usually wrap our yarn like this, where the small loose end the yarn strand would be in your right hand side. So for magic loop, I just reverse the steps and I start by taking the yarn strand like this, and then I wrap it around my finger twice, and then take the first loop in front of the second loop, and then take the second loop in front of the first loop, and there you go, your magic loop is ready. So with magic loop, the wonder of magic loop is that usually with a slip knot, when you create something around, there's tend to be a hole. Say for example like this, there's a hole inside because I have created a slip knot in there. But with magic, when you create a magic loop, you don't have this hole inside. I'll show you how I do that. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button. If you are already connected with me, please show your support by giving me a thumbs up or leaving a comment. Thank you. Now we come to this circle of double crochet. Now if you pull this strand, loose strand of the magic loop, you can see there you can just totally get rid of the tiny hole that we usually tend to have when we do slip knot. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye for now.